106.5 FM for God and Country. It happens to be a blizzard Tuesday with us this afternoon, and wherever you are, we want to say a big thank you and a big welcome to you for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM program that is live on Facebook. Facebook is SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Okoha ubejebre na wahwe dwedi na etwegu e was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. So remember, when you go on Facebook and YouTube, remember what you have to do. Let us say you like the page, you share. And of course, you can follow the conversation this afternoon. Baby, I will be. And then, if I didn't come out of the far, Yanina, Ebekai, Ura, Kenoforiata, and Hunsamwa, Ababeto, Ghana, Yasia, Fana, baby, Samano, Aye Deja, Ewo, baby, Menamo Kase, Aye Ura, Kenoforiata, Ice for one more Achrena, Sabria Menokase, or ICE Detention Center in the US of A, ambassador to the US, so we can have a conversation on the arrest of Honorable Ken Ofori-Atta, former finance minister for the Republic of Ghana. What's the latest? FBI for joining his arrest our US war. What is the fact? What do you want to know? Really, if you want to be the best, the first to know, Kai say SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. So and of course, other stories. Somewhere last week, Yanni driver unions, Asia ewo fidie mo ha. Na enkomo e ba beto dwa no say, aboso kan for. Kwan omo fa so omo na driver for no edie do. Sa kwan no enye kwan paso. And somebody has also, some people have also opined say from aboso kind almost so man can say the driver for no cano and no correct the sentino yeni the minister for trade ebedin komo Honorable Elizabeth Ofusujare yeni the minister for trade ebedin komo Honorable Elizabeth Ofusujare, and of course MP for Tachiman North constituency inti yakwa manu says ya na yeni His Excellency Ambassador Victor Smith edin komo His Excellency, we are South Yanka, Yabakwa Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra. If I do His Excellency, Otemenkapa, can you please hear me? Ambassador Victor Smith, can you please hear me? Okay, so we'll try and see if we can refix the connection and then have him back on the line so we can have a conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. So that's what it is. So once again, let's try the line and see if we can get him. But I'll put him back on the line and let's see if we can have the conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra. So this is where, if you want to be the first to know, a young common first for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ya bomoding na asakwa hamaraso na yani His Excellency edi aye enkomo. His Excellency anyway ya makwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM wa Accra. Be pachote menka. Hello, Ambassador Victor Smith. Wadarman pachote yanka. Okay, so let's see if we can refix it and then have the conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. So I want to add my producer so they can have a different convo or a different connections for us, so we can have that conversation all the way from the United States of America right here. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Patomi ma kwa ba saying
Prof Namiadum.
Namiadum
or the Quantum Yang and so.
Wow. Nanium to say
Namiadum Biaboko.
And that and Kobodo, if you didn't have a ship, okay. All right, so let's see. His Excellency, what are my Pachoti and okay, so we are still trying hard to maintain that contact with him over there in the United States of America so we can have the conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Let's see. His Excellency, what am I Pachoti and can? Okay, good. Yama official Pama Kwababa SOMPA 106.5 FM in Navy, Ewon Grind. Yo, yes, you that say, sir, was oh, yeah. Now, Eddie Cano, US abroaching memo, and what to say? I want a kumo. I want an ekumupa. But and
Yeah, you're fine.
oh yeah.
Managing.
Okay, so thank you so much. But anyway, reason why we have called you, that is somewhere last week, and it is ice for Aquacofa, a cane, a year photo some for Ghana are buying a year Uraken of Furiata. But we are told, sir, this time around, no, FBI has also joined in the arrest of Honorable Ken Oforiatta. But how is the situation like? Because we want our listeners to know what. Okay. But also on
Hello.
But
Hello.
okay. We are going to get back to you. We are going to get back to you with a different line altogether so we can have the conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Pato, once again. Now, also, what you saying?
Nyame adom prof sɛdeɛ di kaka no nyame mbɔkɔ nyɛde nyame asese wama ne ato yɛn 13th January.
Yeah, 13th January.
2026.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
And nana na ekɔ no sɛdeɛ di yɛka no nnura no sɛ wowɔ biribi a start ne
Sure.
1,000 steps between begins with a step.
Yeah, 1,000 miles.
1,000 miles
begins with a step.
Begins
Okay,
with a
so
step.
let's do with this particular music. We're going to be
that's
right back. suggesting say idea na said Ghana yakama Ghana for ati ase say ne ahon de in somewhere tie no just an tie.
No, let me understand your question because he says Frank Davis said what?
Yeah, Frank Davis. I was listening to him this afternoon. He was saying, say, as some now Canada say, would the abeto abonten say, Kenofurata Sabri, no watono, on Yaribia, but from what I picked up from Frank Davis, commenter on, let me be specific with the network, Joy FM this afternoon, they say, he has not said on any platform, I actually say, Kenofurata or Yare Edaho.
So he is denying it.
Yes, he's denying it.
Yeah, but I wasn't responding to Frank Davis' comment, Biara. I was asked specific questions, and I said exactly what ICE had told me.
Okay.
The ICE people to my office, and I asked them the questions. They told me what they wanted to tell me, and that's exactly what I've communicated to the people of Ghana.
So
that he was checked out and he was fit to be in that facility. So yeah, this is called other hospital. They would have taken him to a proper hospital. But in that facility, they do have medical personnel there and a hospital, like a clinic. And they say, he has to go into a full medical area. They would have done it because that is exactly what I wanted to go and do, to go and visit him. Now, my friend is sitting him, say, he's not well. I would have then made an appeal for them to take him to a proper medical facility. But of course, he blocked me. He said he wouldn't want to see me. So I did my bit.
So the information what the two Ghana for any information on his health status and ya one na what na say ebo sremu kan ye their eyes for no catch there no and no they die in Ghana for.
Me. You just been information with the mind.
But someone maybe say information na free one chain Ghana for the health status no some information no and ya one out na say ebo usremu na kan ye but the information eyes for no e the babonting and no they die in Ghana for.
That is all I do. I would not concoct a story. Eyes for no me, I wanted to go to him. Nankasa na say our concerns be an advice and on country me. Say be a enemy me home family so omu keep me. Bibi sa na nka me so metu anamo. But wa mama say kwenya no. And I say for no ba me office. And omo can see say omo checking out no. He's fit, he has his medicines. He's okay to stay in that facility. And I just use that one as the official information.
I wish for anyway, many Ambassador Victor Smith and they didn't come on Ghana's ambassador to the United States of America and he didn't come on. But we are told, sir, now or 3 passports and also I no cry and I say no cry.
Well, that is what I was told. Again, me who yet, but omo no. They would have done a search or whatever it is. They give me information, I pass it on. Information of the man. Say me ko kuhu, eminya kwanya ni kuhu na nka nkomodie mu no, anka maybe say the better name say say na omo aka kire me. What do you say to those things? And kra na nye no correct. You get my point? Me nya sa kwanya no, ono no say on person be hu me. First no, or say on person be hu me without his lawyers. And I say for and the muntu anamona omunu kopena the lawyers baby. And so still I say on person who me cry until I did my bit and I reported back to Accra.
Okay, now how sure a dent in an person be whom?
Well, I'm sure that the lawyers in the catcher and say, Member Mami Sakwenyano. And why I wouldn't know. But I'm sure the lawyers advised him. You know, usually it's Assembly Basana. You have to listen to your lawyers.
Yeah. Because or Ghana need this year. Na to some me buy US approach me na benya problem ambassador or US no. I was said me assembly no back to my aid. But I'm quite surprised we I could see ora kenofurata is rejecting your visit and your assistance in this regard?
Well, about just before Christmas, I paid a visit to some Ghanaians who were being held in one of those facilities in Philadelphia. And I sat down with them, there are about 11 of them. Bonkomo, Koban is saying, you end up with this trouble and all that. I listened to them, Bonkomo, I assured them that we are trying to put our country together and say, Koban say, it could be in some moment they will be deported. Fine, when you come to Ghana, that is not the end of the world. I assured them, we can start again. Our government is putting in place systems to make you also be able to look after yourselves and don't want to in this country.
Okay.
You haven't regularized your me too.
Okay. Before we conclude with you, though, share Ghana this year, US abrochire mu asabre ice for power. Betting I can say, a bit more how much media some could dine as some Libya, our US abrochire mu ammonia or from Wediana.
I tell you, about 99% are thrown out.
99% are thrown out.
Yeah. And the last day, they had detained, the last figures, they were about 193 or so. And that is the last figure. I think it has reduced by now. If you are picked up here, they know that Ghana is a stable country.
Yeah.
Everything's moving well in Ghana. So you can't go and tell a lie and get away with it. They are working with our systems, our attorney generals, our lawyers. They know Ghana. FBI and America, they know Ghana. We are very close. And so they can tell that if you come up and tell funny stories about being persecuted or being at home, they can cross-check some of those things. And the bulk of those making those claims who do not have documents or are illegals in America, they don't stand a chance of going through the immigration judge. We put you before the judge, you can't make a good case. He recommends deportation immediately and you are thrown out.
Wow.
So about 90% have been sent out of those people they've arrested over a period under the ICE project.
So, what the number of people who have been thrown out of the U.S. as against those who have been given, residency in the United States of America, just opposing that to Ken Ofori-Attah's issue, can you say, sir?
No, let's see Ken's as a separate issue. Ken is a high-profile personality.
Okay.
Please, don't let us bundle him with the illegals. He didn't come here illegally.
Okay, that's fine.
Ken, it's perceived as a VIP case by the ICE. There's a best of interest in another country. FBI are so interested. His case, let's separate it from the bad, not the bad ones, the ones that just found illegal ways of entering US. So we can talk together. It's a classic, specific case of the former finance minister. My information is that he's not scared of coming to Ghana. That's my information I'm picking.
Oh, he's not scared he's not scared of coming to Ghana.
Yeah. I mean, to come and face the charges and to defend himself. But I think for some reason, I don't know who's advised him, to ask for the extension. I don't know how he's going to benefit him.
Okay, so Ambassador Victor Smith, I wanted to ask you, you believe the source that is telling you that Ken Ofori-Attah is not afraid of coming to Ghana to face the charges?
Yes, I believe it because he's a relative of his who's telling me this, But you see, let's put this way. I guess you want assurances that he will not be manhandled.
Okay.
That he will not be manhandled.
Okay.
I guess that is the essence of it.
Sure. Okay.
I guess that is the essence of it.
Sure.
But you see, other people in the NPP administration who have run against the laws of Ghana being tried are still, they are on bail and living in Ghana. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm listening to you.
There's a lot of noise on your phone.
A
lot of people, what I'm saying is that
sure.
There are a few people who are also facing trial and things in Ghana currently on the previous administration. Not so. Currently on the previous administration. Not so.
Yeah, true.
I know what to me is before court. So he can come in. What assurance does he want? He can go through the due process. If he wants bail, he will get bail.
Yeah,
and then you defend yourself. If you are successful in defending yourself, you're a free man.
So, pay information available to you. Our US remember about this kind of Furatas issue. Now we have FBI joining. Do you foresee that?
I believe so.
You believe strongly?
I believe strongly. I believe strongly that he himself would opt to go and face it. Yes, that his lawyers must, protect him legally.
Looking at the
maybe that is the only assurance that he wants.
Okay, that's fine. But
this one is my view.
That's your personal view.
That's my personal view from the facts available. I think he's willing to, and then whatever I'm being told. He just wants assurances that he will not be manhandled. And I think he doesn't deserve to be manhandled. The fact that he delayed in coming, it goes through the due process as anybody would go through as a citizen who is charged with an offense against the state.
And you see that happening soon?
Yes.
All right, so when is he going to go to the law courts?
20th.
And mobile assistance be now.
Barring any unforeseen this thing, soon after that he will come to Ghana.
Barring any unforeseen circumstance.
Unforeseen circumstance, yeah.
Immediately after the court session, he's going to come to Ghana.
Yeah, he's going to face an immigration judge. Immigration judge will judge based purely on your visa status, immigration status. So unless maybe some lawyers want to delay it, eventually it would have to come at some point. Otherwise, I foresee soon after the 20th, he will come to Ghana.
What makes you highly convicted?
What makes me
highly convicted that he's going to come to Ghana immediately after the court session?
You mean convinced?
Yes.
Well, I have the facts of the moment, and I'm the most senior person here who the eyes are talking to. So I believe strongly that barring any of these unforeseen things I'm talking to you about, the immigration judge just rules. That's how come about 90% of our immigration stuff, people have all been sent back. All those who have been arrested by ICE. The immigration judge just, you just try and make a case. And if it doesn't make sense, then you're out.
So as we speak now, or ICE for detention sector, or Washington, I guess it is.
I guess so. I hear it's been moved, but I don't know where the next. Yeah, the ICE will be talking to me later on today, so they will tell me what they're doing.
All right, I wish I thought my now I say so my hokama edin kobo, but baby I yedin the bekono say yedin no ko wie a ye besa froda ya gyemoaye efri wonchen. Why?
Martin that's it.
Yo. Ambassador Victor Smith and artist Meneno Din Komo live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM and the chat yene Honorable Elizabeth Ofuse Jare ebe Din Komo newie. Pato wetin komo?
And some doors prof na yada ambassador so ase wakasa pa wachichi mwachire na last question ya ubusa nu na asa twetwe maso kakra
then na twetwe waso
o se ye na free center na ye
detention center na wo no eko baby fufuro sa baby fufuro do onim until or you follow up no who baby e was eyes for no be briefing no obo briefing na o me kire baby o
prof mama mo abaso
o ade
wayade
o sa
wayade papa mama we Ghana for
o sa
men kan say wama Ghana for atne yet
sa
wama Ghana for
asida ye nyame dia
na ade ba kwa so na kire madwen o question na obusa ambassador ho ye your papa Kenofuriata preventing him from coming to see him. And only at Sembakwa and also actually imagine obi any reason here. Because initially you ready yourself and I yet yourself or say oh who brand lawyers
in you.
Na lawyers naba then why again?
And no aside that na kra no me say ono the lawyer for na tunefo. Yeah. Lawyers, you know, you see, because it's also a high profile case. The NDC and the NPP. So what you say now, also Ken NPP NDC for so omuno pursue no say wabo minor chrono. Omusu say wabo minor chrono. Into omra na omeye den emeyi ni wano. But the Ambassador Victor Smith in the year wamaya te say court now obekono on the 20th. So court ni we are NDC omde ni beba Ghana. You know, Honorable Elizabeth Ofuso Jare, so my NND Nkomo, Minister for Trade, na NND Nkomo we are na Minua Benjamin Asari, international bank minimum. So, but I no woman anim. Ya minimum de hano. Yes, I mean, Masafo Eko de Fie Ahumachimbi. Na on ne bompa ye na Patrick so akoto worship. Na mo to worship na mo ye no ho adwuma wi a. Now SARFO. Share.
None now much of one.
Me patro. Moment trying home races here. Ye trying one basis here. Ye ba. Ye Elizabeth Ofuri. Ofusu Ejari. Minister for Trade. Ye ne the bedin command live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. This is For God and Country.
Take him on a way. Electroland Abeja. Near the Munamuni, punning in our swabo. Wait, yeah. Thursday, yeah. 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front and Wokumasi Techiman Kwaneso.
Yedi Roma sorry dino. And I said backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberto was Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more puppet count winning now. Now winning baby. It count for baku 50. Ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie. It's Robertadie. Count who now say now.
To me, Chenya Oba, any petchemo, and not your bed actually. Now so. Ubit me up one manenya pomodin free ni mo France. Yam vita ye de milk pa pebi. Ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada edianya. Eye de na ahodia e wo mu no bo mo fra pomodin. Anyo impeni for swini chopa. Mawobano apomodin free ni mo France. Yam vita gumo hodo bebre. Yam vita, a delicious way to grow. FDA agi ejedi yin kratoyat.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha sese ye Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. E ho na wo behu ye. 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. That's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tonte. Yanum sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na num say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74. Ebu anipadua awia no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa anka free na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wafa afuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
Ebushafo my na say Oda so tie SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country wherever you are ye catch us ye mawaha e ma kwa baba ejumadi no so patu ewa ha sasana ye miankasa menua Benjamin Asare who speaks for the NPP or no so atanasi patu that is same you
Prof nyamiadom
now then NPP for can actually professor your friend from Pomboating.
It's your NPP no sane omugina no oko kasa no ankasa ya ye be you if you agree
sir you know
ye near Bristol corridor NPP for
sir
it is ya oko kasa ye
and who ye NPP nti na so see ye near bre
you see yanu in terms of yenyina
Debbie
Prof count
Debbie me pacho information wona wo ka say young NPP for ye near bre
pacho nye NPP ni
now see young ye near
me kasa on their behalf but me
kasa NPP for
hey NPP for no me
de wo betunso yem de wo ka ena me so me hwe so
e wato gira benkum gira ni fa e gira finfini
sa
mo ya de be
ye ka sa Benjamin Asare mini de ha no
Benjamin de ono de ne de nenam but yes ye de wa ha
yeah we are NPP ni
NPP me join the party bia oba na oba ya de oba na ba ni
there be a journalist any kwan so join amanyoko
oba na ba ni pede ya ye be support you wa anya de empe so dia ye be bo wachi enti prof
journalist we ye bi na ba akwa di position when this amamu mu
oh Debbie no you see that is where you are getting it wrong. No Debbie Benjamin Asare, that is where you are getting it wrong. Now mama can say me amiti na MPP waba mum no who say okay I've gotten the capacity to serve at in a particular position no more appointing me. Does that make me say me MPP ni?
Yes.
Oh no, it's not true.
No. Oh. NDC just be honest to yourself and be fair.
I am being honest.
NPP ni bien wo be kwa akopeke.
Me bacho
journalists be or ye bias to NDC MPP man position.
Enti
ye ma omu position ni nyina no. E wo NDC time e ade anu omu kasa de ma NDC ni e mo position. Who jina wo ye ma position under MPP because you are neutral. It's one of my position.
And the NDC for some my position.
Because we are neutral. And journalists for no more position. I want John Dramani Mahama administration.
Yeah.
This now Kasama NDC.
Oh.
Obian one man now on Kasama NDC on my position.
But Benjamin Akakpo.
Oh, no, NDC is what them tam. What them or Bruce was
Benjamin Akakpo.
Oh.
Benjamin Akakpo.
Obian you. Nipa ye man position ye nwanwa kakra
Matilda Asante
na me ba beka ono na ye nwanwa kakra ye binom kura ye nwanwa say Matilda de ye den na because honestly we when the shows ni programs anu ya na o ye fair
ti say me a
na make nti who say no NDC for mouse our position
na MPP for so jaden
ye mouse because no boy now boy two boy nti we are good in any field cry am farmer we better high we demand the abo mine no because someone so be bi wo because eh sani ayi o mine no eh MPP NDC nti onim say wo no onya affiliated to NDC and MPP o ma wo position no ma wo nso me wan so na bi awo expertise now obetimi dia ye adwuma ba ye mfa
prof for the be de ne sa ye be gina mfimfini sa
and some ye adwuma pan so the ball
adwuma pa ya adwuma fine
hey but seriously Benjamin Akakodi who can shock me
who say okra shock you
because ono na minim so no a fair minded journalist
me no obi di nkomo
yeah
and me raise akpapo ne Matilda
sure
no am ka jem so omo kra de no omo ko branch meetings ni ade nyina
Patu Ghana say be draw
na Matilda Santon or my boss
I
was sorry
many make it
house
until come sorry for
oh yeah
Matilda Sunday and your taba sorry and I mean who day
I am a boss pa on say sorry your media team
yeah and that's how media team just be joining
no I am a boss
and that's how media team mu nyeme
oh yeah bejo
na some come make us now what are you talking about
Saturday pa morning or no bonfire na prof onye is around to
Pato
spiritually inclined
Pato
shank ya bubuno
maya go
grofo bubuno
okay me ba cho ye kwa amaro so na edi nkomo sisi a da ye nya me ba cho mete wonka ye kwa amaro sisi a na ni owura Patrick Odum PRO for Vehicle Enforcement Association of Ghana na ye no na edi nkomo me me ma kwa baba for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ha na o te saying
Nango kwado me ho ye fa na he na pacho make us
oh be pacho aha aye SOMPA 106.5 FM ye won cran ha aha program idea that's what aye for God and Country so na wo ka say but enkomo ya ba betene de say ase mukuo aye Vehicle Enforcement Association of Ghana ase muni DVL for ase twa kan bia aba beda mu ntemu a enye twa ka papa na nkomo no se na tie Ghana for tie
me da city me chetie fo nyina me da di kai no asem na record enti no ense yenti me nkasa ho bebre
sure
na mo so obi sa me akakra me nim ne se ye ni DVL ni ntoko asembia ye juma ena adwuma no stadio ye ji akoko obi dia ho ne ye kyerɛ sɛ da adwuma ye ne ye dada endi senta kaye bi ba anadi fufo ha no mpese ya omoma ye ye adwuma enti anu nti na ma ye yakoda
but ye nya ne kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Vermac for ensemo mudi tudwa from last year to this year na say ɛyɛ adwuma na mo ye no ya gye ama nipa ba ko bi the senti no na mo bu afui
sabe pese na ke say ya gye ama nipa ba ko bi se me no ka say o ma mu ni nyina ya mu na ewo no ye Vermac for na ye mean say ye bo number ya bo for 30 solid years this year number na epie na wo hu no ye ne boy
oh enyam na mo boy
David
nano dan eno efri hi na bae
me pa cho mu musasli woni tele body fi bae o de o me be me ya
because nano me hu eye video bi o social media na me hu ye no na maboko jan na mo de court ara me boa
me pa cho say
na maboko jan ko jan na mo de court
me yes so you say Ghana no sabio assembly ba ye ya sumdwe ma ye do ye ho ye nkuntokwa na ye hye yo man dia ye bi mra so eni nti no se asemba na hawa na wo dia kodan court sabi mpenifu a ya to ababa wo abedi o man so eni mpenifu a eni muje eni judge se kuku dama ye wa yankopon de nyansa ni ndia bomo eni lawyer na sabi wo kire wo ntemu a na de se tam ne de ato ama yemfa ntokwa enhia kan enti estredi ne de kokko timi nimbone a yaye wo
obi be ka say asem yi ba ye no se de wo ka se Ghana ha no ye hia asumdwe ne de keka ho no na ade na mo di DVL for antenase anjojo enhu kwan a mo di asem yi ebefa rather than going to the law court
if I chose my car to start the law court
no, we are not going.
Ya ba be tin wo hoko. Senka ye ye me jina ya nke ye nuru ho. It's in a sleepy, and person could get you. Because it's a court court at all. Canena and get you court one. I come to me butch exchange. Now the agree the beer, now a dama. Not content,
wait a bit to us because we would have to respect the law court. I was saying in India, Edima, a year court, no, but them say we are by a idea a hamupa, and I'm reliably. I've gathered from some source, HSA, even Grano DVL for Grano Modemoca, Cabia Modemocrabunian TI. We saw Quacoban and Bebuna, Womunya Quine, a year Juma, Massayan, or some Bebuninano, Sabre Omunetifia, Omunsa and Comano, a idea a hard ye pa. Now, the bend that I'm moving to court in the view.
Now, go for ya, Duma, a Jada a day. Yeah, that's a Jordan 19th. If I try 19th January, yeah, that's Ayako.
Okay, so say
you can start yeah, those, yeah, there 300 over 3,000 people.
Sure.
And yeah, those.
Obi
Mika graduate one kasa wo mu ame me sure mo ye adwuma so o ma wie school no studio aban abon ho modern afa be brede nanso ye din abako ensent ni nkata nyamye ni ye nyina ya sede se wunya bebi gina boa wo nie bi nso enti yesuso mu kakraka enu tina ye ka cha aban se ye tre no ye wo graduate fo be brewo ye wo mo wie ese ye wo mo so JSS adwuma no do nyina etini ye bi eti esre na ye doso enti o mwa ye na ye sanka ye dwuma na sanka ofo nyina e betie fia e komo e de ba ni sebe atena e ba nya akamposa
se se do obi bisa se se mo no de na mo hwehwe
ye dwuma na ye pe ye dwuma ma ye se dia normal ye dwuma no a asem bia ni hobio ye funu ya ni o me.
Oh, okay.
Study me here. Sika kese because we baby a enye medwuma me ye mu sika no no. Na me ni gina number plate machine ho na me post time. Na me kra to me ye mse ma bo me suma ye me die e di abo aga na man. Se nko nenim.
Many mama na wase pass na wi o ma ho kwa ma ye ne wu edi nkomo no. Na new number plates na aba no so se na ho no.
Oh, mind ye. And I'm a kind of you tell you for your winning ye GDT near the mobile. It's almost 2. Say I'm couple from one. Ye I support to see a couple from. The other is also a support. Now, yet they ask me, and say, you through. Say, yet that do. Ye na yebo. It's almost my own lay a boy idea. As simple as that.
Okay, that's fine. You know, what should you my ye tremuna? Best afibia no normal place do do send amotimebo.
Hey, Papa, Uncle Fata Mother. Nationwide, the doors of Papa. Some I can't say. If I say in Africa and I got that show, think me moment till now, yet the doors of Papa. Oh, there's 10 years old. I today. And then I some kutwa. Na say every year dia opo say ya some kutwa. The number of cars e ba year. Ye be bojin ya bojin ya bojin S ya bojin C ya bojin P. It possible to me for jinje. Eno ya kra nkwa boshe line nkwa asem na making. Over head office e wo GH wo ho. Over your friend is saying, 80, AK in our womb. Over West, you will beauty. Central, you will CR. Over East, you will ER. Sending in I 10,000 crap, Papa, what are you doing?
I don't know about
it. I said 10 crowd, the watch you and I watch you and I can say you look around it to me about putting young from say you cry, I did was saying.
And you know, sir, na sa djuma we ya okay. Na ya je e dia mani pa ba ko a. Ni pa ba ko no, obetimi produce this number of plates a wo kan wansa me.
And yes, say wa wo je na he. Na se ni pa ba ko person e didi wo man mu a. Anke be de a tro man mu ama na ye.
Yo. And Jimmy Patrick, my friend, come on and see. I'm sure I saw my home. I knew didn't come on. That's fine. I was for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Pato. Hey. Say bejuo.
O maimu. Hebi.
Na you bet me DVL for kasa producer. Almost one kasa.
It's your man ready.
Ah, say bejuo.
Bejuo no.
Pato, ma yenko share MPP for krata wo body abase. Is it Professor Frimpong then?
Frimpong Boatin.
Almost why then?
Akoto bomb.
What to bomb?
Aye.
Bomb na what way?
Bomb ni nyina opepe so.
Ah.
Obama be kwan ama me chirichirim.
Be ba to chichirim me ko anim. Ko anim.
Etie for paper ye kita me na krata ye kita me. Every NPP for party aso ye. Na me wasa no brofum na echire no me wasa ha. Me wasa no brofum. Na ya chiriche mu dia batwi
antu u kan wo twi mu ansa na
na me kan brofo ansa na me dia batwi me wesa
akeni ba me kra me yangu na ni kra me kan yankwe
from the headquarters NPP for immediate release on the January 13th 2026 new patriotic party initiate process to expel Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng from the party. The new patriotic party has taken due notice of comments made by Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng during an interview on Channel 1 TV on Monday, 12 January 2026, in which he described the party as a fake party and further stated that he no longer considers himself a member of the party. In the same interview, Professor Frimpong Boateng made additional disparaging remarks about the party and alleged, among other things, that the party's 2023 presidential primary was rigged in favor of His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the NPP's presidential candidate for the 2024 general election. The party unequivocally rejects Professor Frimpong Boateng's unfortunate characterization of the NPP and firmly denies his baseless and unsubstantiated allegations regarding the conduct of 2023 presidential primary. The third primary has been widely acknowledged by all candidates who participated, as well as by well-meaning members of the party, as having been conducted in a free, fair, transparent, and credible manner, faithfully reflecting the will of the party's delegate. The new patriotic party views the conduct and utterances of Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng as highly reprehensible and inimical to the values, unity, and integrity of the party. Consequently, the party has invoked the relevant provisions of its constitution to commence the necessary processes to expel him from the party, strictly in accordance with due process. Signed, Justice Kodria Frimpong, General Secretary. Enti Prof. Assembly no. NPP krata every NPP asweye. Na almost Professor Frimpong Boateng, Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, ako make comment bi ewo Channel 1 TV Monday ye twa mu ye. Say NPP party no a fake party. Current MPP party was it a fake party?
Or say party
current MPP party tissue.
Yeah.
What way?
Or say then
a fake party.
Party no.
Fake.
As a MPP. Se see a
fake. No, they won't join the fake party.
Oh. Now
was it NPP na never one and then none never ho. And that day fake, a duplicate.
Okay, my name is Ghana for yeah, beside say MPP a Ghana has a Seattle a fake and you fake. Yeah, beside question we because
omo answer.
Say omo to omo answer.
Omo answer. Give you full last round.
Opa me be lines nana.
Ah, bet me be.
What's a safu ye nipa boni.
Na yen tie for so ne omo ka.
Hey, mu de
MPP or say the current MPP party e wo hoyi. And this said Dada no. Dada no ye original no. And
yes, sir, will not be fair to him.
And then the idea was he at Tia Pants and made a fake,
sir,
fake party. It's a fake party there. One of your joining fake party.
Oh, there,
Prof.
Let me be a bit here. Was Remy Fido. Now, not serious. But some women mount can be. Any part my vacancy better than you. MPP was a Seattle. A fake and that's a real.
Original.
You can call 0260-196064. 0260-196065. Yeah, because I say MPP I was a Seattle. A fake and that's a fake. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Eja.
Me pa cho dini baby akasa free.
Jordan in Crofi Tema West.
Jordan Tema West. Yeah, because I say MPP, current MPP or a fake and I say you fake.
Totally fake. And I didn't pananka second way. I say Zambo Boom.
Oh, see, a fake.
Yes, so then just finish was a catch your sappunch. Who didn't let you?
Me I say, by me fake call away. Hello, good evening. Oh, me pa cho we free of us. Me pa cho 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Well, good afternoon, my brother. How are you?
I'm fine. And whom am I talking to?
Yeah.
Whom am I talking to? Tema. Jody Joe, Tema. Can we say, sir, the new patriotic party as it stands now, it's fake?
No, they are not fake. I'm not going to be very careful with the issues out there. Please, thank you very much.
All right, so thank you so much. I'll say, fake. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pa one minute ka say.
Patronia baba ko pe maka wadam kumai.
Oh, nana manu. Now what to say?
Patronia me adome boye.
Hey, asamoa yewura. Prof, kwabena frempom boating dia betu dwe you. Wose ma wanye ko no ye fake.
Bono mom na oye fake.
Me da say. Hello, good evening.
Hi.
Yeah, Patronia minute ka say. Ajanimo, hey, say MPP fake, no cry na.
MPP fake.
Fake, me that say okay, for last one. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, me ba joana me na say.
Prof, ba original power me dey on here.
Me that say, MPP as it stands now, na fake and I say fake.
Prof, MPP there. Everything you are Jamasen ko here, the MPP say fake net at the honor.
Me that say, okay, last one. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba jo one minute na say.
I'm Kasi.
Okay, good. MPP I want to see an fake and I say fake.
Could you kasa ko fake? Could you?
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, baby sir, Udini baby akasa free.
Peter Johnson from Otiri in Dodo Amanfru.
Okay, good. Is that new patriotic party fake?
It's not fake, it's original.
Thank you so much. Yeah, for call baby. Benjamin Asare, what's here a year callers? Oh, sir.
Akaka crebu na mami.
So Benjo.
Oh, Benjamin, mami treated munye. That be back to you had a mami fight. Oh, as I would have some more semen. Oh, the mami nearby.
The man shop one friend of me for course. And
I'm picking could be a
baby. 5 o'clock at my friend. About 5 hours. Benjamin.
The same interview now granted or GH1.
Yeah.
Or say 2023.
Yeah.
Presidential primaries no mukoyen.
Aye.
Omuwie mu mani pa baako.
Also muwie mu mani pa baako.
Channel 1, sorry. Channel 1 TV.
Also
muwie mu mani pa baako.
Hwan?
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Your case close. Benjamin Asare net say. They just want to relax it too much. As someone who row too much.
Debbie. Oh.
Oh,
Prof.
Yes.
Asem we ntimi nra mesa.
Oh, sir.
Kra. In fact, kwenya yusu na menchia musronko.
Sure.
Menchia etiefo ne ahwefo.
Sure.
Na omohwe eye nwumre. Menchia me constituents, good constituency.
Sure.
Polling station executive, electoral area coordinators, constituency executive. Me MP, Honorable Gloria Usu. Me ankasa me boss, me mentor. Honorable Simon Sechem.
All right.
Former municipal chief executive for Ganoff. Maybe Obia Mechiano and Yumri. Prof.
Yeah, I'm into you.
What's it saying?
Why is it saying what? And a day, you know, so screen.
Okay, near that's one near.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, part of a paper, no man.
Nyamia Yadom, say, party no. Sa, I hope carry or Mokeka no crown or watch it. I say, ye a month for free party no da. Nipa dodo na ebinum wo ho no akabi say letters we come on fake for no say you omu free because they say fake for no na you omu free mu no
almost mo party dey fake na
na me say fake for no na you omu free na ka fake for ni bi say letter we come on
oh sir
fake for ni bi kura contested for presidential primaries ya yekui because kasa we ya yeah, Papa Frimpong Boatin Kai. Omo contested elections no crano. It be no more worse than this one. I say let the week come on cry.
Okay, me bacho. Say you share one more presidential primaries na. Your Dr. Brian Champon. Ono na kan ho asem na.
Pacho Debbie.
Kwabena JJ Pon engineer. Ono kan ho asem na.
Pacho Debbie.
Are we also talking about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Pacho Debbie. Ono ntimi nye fake.
Educhum.
Pacho Debbie.
Honorable Kennedy.
Pacho Debbie.
Until why now wo kase no oye part of the presidential primaries here because 31st of January 2026 ono okay oye fake
party for no nim no nti omo nto abama no
party for no nim no nso omo nto abama
yes
enti onka enum no ho
oka num no ho ba party for no nim
na de na me boy enum no wonya bema
sao
wonya bema
okay
woye hufo
me da se pa party for no
de bi oye hufo
me da se party for no party for
Benjamin Asare
polling station executive any grassroots na party ni omo dey omo fake people no fake members na omo contest no and ya dey 35 day no
Safo Batofa pe audio no ma me why because me hu say ukra video no ma me mbo audio no but 5 ni nyina dey fake wom
yes and have sa fake no party for no nto abama no na ye to aba ni wi a sa fake no no anka so obekwa akodwon ni fakers no
ye to abani wi
ye to abani wi 31st January na
sure
fake na ono wo 5 num no
presidential
party for no to abam fama no
the MPP presidential hopefuls no 5 no ye wo fake wom
yes
na mo come abato no so mo koto ma abani wi a sa fake no obefrim akwakọ join the real the fakers
yes
fake
for ni nyina be ko mo start so hwa fake for no Alanche Martin fake Solomon Usunum fake
Ebo Backman
fake ono crowd we fake
or a fake a fakers
sa Ebo Backman or you fakers
sa
ono crowd ye call ye crowd
say you can fake
fakers fake for ni bi no omu nyina ekọ and as say no ye Papa Frimpong Boatin wakọ
fake
for obi anyi ni mfirimu ono ankasa ka say he no longer belong to the fake party.
Sure.
And he said, "Won't party no on the then you will be in the commentary."
So why this krata babato abonting?
Well, you're fake because, with all due respect, party no emrawum. Ye nkwala na ye di achire no. Ye di mraso. And na ye sua efiri mpanimfo no ho. Ye man the minister no. Onchira dia ba akwa wo ye de boa o man Ghana. Yewura Frimpong Boatin ye man minister on kire ade ba ko a wo ye odi minister for how many years 8 years ya anya resafo meboa on kire ade ba ko a ono na onye fake a na odi party na nim na Nado Danko Akufo Adu nya ni mugidie e man ni position no on kire ade ba ko a wo ye de boa party no ye de boa Ghana omo nyina aka ho bi e na elusu aba no because sata mo agalamse egi yini no na wo no was alleged say ne bakre ye galamsey Frimpong Boatin it was alleged say wono ankasa ne ba age concession wo ye galamsey Iti unye fake ya. Kabe ma uba aye galamse abra na wankasa. We minister in charge of.
You had said it was alleged. And you know, untimi nyuntum say no ye galamse.
Sentina
was alleged. Ati somewhere yaten and say nani bano so ye galamse. But we don't have any concrete evidence.
Now no fake no kasa party ni ye fake no my reasons be.
Some na mwankasa mo party.
On my reason ti I was say ye party ni ye fake. Now no say one can fake party no be on my reason. Allegedly nani buy ye galamse. No one can say party now our concession no so no it was alleged so no so ye galamse. Enti wa gu party na wie. What say party na wie? Ama say party no go opposition. Afa no hu say now Johnny fake party nti wo ko. O ma bai. Na ye kura ye ntimi ni fake fo nya adwuma. New Patriotic Party amanyuku ye ntimi ni fake fo nya adwuma. Omo di information come NDC for ye ntimi ni omo nya adwuma. Omo siniki add information ekokoma NDC. Enti ene no omo atena baabi omo di.
You don't have any evidence to prove that.
I was Prof my catcher will say one only fake no kind one evidence be out. Enti masem be make be out.
Well say there be reasons so unim reasons now let me tell you the reasons. One or alleged say aya presidential primary sir mo call ye 2023 no mo reggae ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. 2 he talked about bribery and intimidation. He also talked about lost party identity. The present NPP is not NPP. It is fake. From what I see now, this is not the NPP I used to know, indicating he believes that the party has lost its original values and principles. He again asserts that failure to address electoral losses. He stated there were issues. We lost the elections badly and we did not address the problems that led to the losses. So these are some of the things he said.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
Onye party ni bebia boni bia. O tiny yaw in the shebi mu because of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me pacho 2008. Na Eliu Mahama one contested presidential primary. So contested. So contested. No, former vice president.
Sure.
And no contested here. A day they see here. Ubian can be contested on your 19 votes. And what the cocotana and the baby. 19 votes. No, your president or your former vice president.
Vice president.
Ubian can be Bientiano. And your day na ye read Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kwamre Weso. Now we're doing the vice president here. Na party grassroots no woni mugidie say ono na betimi lead party no e de akwaji to me the next 8 years omo hit yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nti sebe omo keka nsem a yentimi answer omo directly because
but asem na wo can allegation na no make say presidential primary saboko 2023 omo wie ma Dr. Mahmoud Ba serious one.
So you fake you na fake na kasa head any.
Okay, he also explained that they twist people's arms, bribe delegates and intimidate others to get a flag bearer. Hey, MPP. Say na mutie.
Prof.
Yay. This is one of your own. And now what in some way about bonting a walk efa MPP ho.
Na make say nsem na walk na nyina no. Ono ano say party no e fake. Ono an nsem na walk no e fake. Ono an kasa nso ye fake.
Okay.
Nti se we free party no mu a ye man bye bye onko. E ade a party no. Ya me ya adom a obetena akire. Na waye disservice to ne ma ene na busunya. Professor Fripon Boateng waye disservice to ne ma ne na busunya. Because adi one ne money na busuya nyina no e ade a omo atranketi wo political career dey free MPP because party ni e fake dia oba bi entimi medjone wo busuya ni bi entimi medjone because e fake ba fake no eno ne man ministerial position e man minister for 8 years man ni di ye one na busuya fo nya omo hu say tam and the fake party no eno wo baba ye minister for 8 years yentime pimponte adia baako a woye de bo Ghana ene adia baako a woye de bo New Patriotic Party amanyuku ene wadidi anya no ho say tam eji ache no wadidi wa men into wose party ni ye fake say he has nothing to lose he say woni hwe oluzu ni sika waboa no aguo no obetimi adi so onya 200 years kra ensa It's all my buy.
But you should know, say, Professor Frimpong Boateng, before even venturing into politics, now no dinner home.
So you minister ni into Anaka.
Baby, I say minister no how. Now all politicians are no more ministers are. One may minister na wie the term term of office ni wie. Ubo who say that
it doesn't matter. The fact that
he's a professional man. You can take
that he's a position every month be a heart
surgeon.
Forget. Other man minister the one can say a heart surgeon into no or kwakwe na dwuma on pay minister no. Adododie na wo ministry no ho no eno no obeje ya odidi ho nti yetua ne ka every month no oje ne per diem oje traveling allowance ye ma ne ka free ne ye ma ne fu we free wa anyi ni nyina o ye fake yankasa.
Press 1 to get
right.
SOS.
Okay, me pass Busha for I think we've run out of but let's see if we can get Chairman Smith Boothie, the acting first national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. We're going to speak to him. We're going to speak to him briefly. Hey, Madam Fude brutal. Hey, we are solid. Benjamin Asari. Yeah.
Prof.
Sir, Maminya.
Prof, na me catch you say. Your party no. And penifo na che. Say omo use this
statement about you know.
Because nipa bebre wo hono ma ese statement we come on no mu free party no because wo mo party no mu enye ma
okay that's fine
mu so wo say party
sure,
best party no so hwa NDC time sa na ma we ebisisi ma wo clear wo mu nyina free mu se mere na so
mami ndin komo in Brazil yeah me pacho Chairman Smith Boothie Yama official pa ama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM wa pom tisa. No, Chairman Boothie menye sa. Na wa unim sa Debi no Chairman Boothie. Debi Chairman Boothie. Debi minim so be chairman tiefo. Wo be chairman tiefo. Tiefo ejo so da ase. Na me bronya de o ye dan meje.
Me wa fam bronya de abrele. Me now the mama who was you for
Chairman with the my few brutal.
My few papa.
Yeah, the brutal can somewhere my future man with a brutal.
And I made brutal.
Whoa, we are solid. We are fantastic. We are heavy, why, Chairman? We are heavy. We are too much. Now, I was afraid you know here.
Oh, yeah, me out of here.
Now, I say MPP Amanyo Kuono. Madam sir, 31st of January 2026, Mujina Kono. So far, no preparation set the same.
Oh, Nyamia Daroma, and I'm on Pai won't be here, Kama. 31st, you're not to abano, problem be a ma, Obia is a problem of the Oba. Problem be a mass, Yankwa, but to abano, no be winning, party name, you will lose party name. Yeah, some party and so many parts. It will be winning the ability that you need now.
Wow. Would there most some party, so many pa. But why would not? I say, my dream will say, I MPP mono and Tokabe BBC.
Oh, go walk a come back, no need because so we are talking one who heard my passing when your problem. What are they? One auntie and you'll be fair, as a man day. So was on auntie. On week as you will get you'll be fair to one auntie. What are they?
Matthias,
and they are bravo.
Now saying no, I said, you say, General Secretary issue statement be, and the statement was in response to there be issue statement. Now, statement no issue and it was in response to Professor Frimpong Boateng issue interview be called grantee one network one crying how or say mo party ni fake. So when I saw the news, I was like, wow. Party miankasa minua miankasa me bra miankasa me papa the first acting national vice chairman no and ye catch up some party ni fake no.
Oh, me na me hu na wo kan ti no comment.
Won't na hu anti no comment. Hey Chairman Boothie.
Yes.
Oh catch up say won't hu ye and I catch up say no comment. Wo hu pa Chairman Boothie.
No comment.
Men dwane mfi hu.
Okay.
Men dwane mfi sa statement no.
Oh, there is no comment. Me maintain me who statement chrono. Na maintain asama for what the chrono talk.
Okay. What if? Me pacho. What if say anka obi a wodi mu pa within the New Patriotic Party. Na omukoko tena baby ne waka say the New Patriotic Party is fake. What response would you give to that person?
What I maintain free one no, maintain free na no. It make over because what the chairman make na menka.
Oh, that be sir enti chamabuti. Me baby a wotie sisi ya.
That be maintain free na no. And I'll say me general secretary letter me win. No comment.
Okay, so I just want to respect what you have said, but I also want to ask that, is there a disconnection between the General Secretary and the first National Vice Chairman of the party? So is that supposed to mean, say, Justin Kodia issued a statement, it was issued at your blind side?
Because maybe come across better than I'm by. Maybe one step across better than I'm by. It is the it is a whole. I'll tell my office, but I won't catch me as an office, but I catch them.
Oh, Chairman Smith Boothie. So, what's else? Oh, Chairman, all of that, but we are heavyweight too much. We are solid. We are solid. What was that? Side network, yeah, so that we can't send me. I didn't send me back. I said this time we are a bit careful with me, eh?
Oh, yes, sir. But no cannot. Some are saying a minimum, but maintain me who yet. It is a what I can be maintained as a call kind, and a mean baby.
Good.
And as a beginner secretary is not to let it be a me who yet, and I don't know, discussing the answer. If you know, madam, no comment.
Sure. I respect that opinion and that view of yours. Any comment on this particular issue. But you have told us so far so good. Everything is in place. Elections, because wabra assembia ANC. But okay. For now, no delegates we are told some delegates have been influenced with yes, Kananiema. I don't know, what would you tell the delegates?
Oh, Niema can say. Maybe who's will be a movie scan, I mean, will be also more opinion, maybe. That's our normal idea. Oh, my God, so I'm really party on our monthly answer.
But what is uncommon?
Or when you need power, you bet me I deny power 2028. And I mean, hear me.
Oh, okay.
The Nipa be on the Nipa or more delegates, I already say. On by campaign on near really 2028. Into almost 5 to be on the piano. Ever I could born to one.
I like the fact the position of the first acting national the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party what born home modern because me who say as a wouldn't kabumbi ba party but some have also opined say presidential primaries here moba be koi ede enchichemu bi ba amanyukunum. Now, I don't know.
Never better be so be MVP Nibia and as a gun and Nibia and say, and no idea go up when you are. Ubi Oberini be our partner, Ubi Oberini be our partner. If you ain't ever come when I party near you, Yakin Wobbly. And you might do go up when Yama will be our uncle say at the papa committee na yellow. You will be uncle Sano. And you think be a police boss and say police wouldn't take charge will be piano. So now electoral commission. If you are a party member now for 12 baby, over you confused with now baby. Yama will be a mayor Basabia or police station or in Yama police for mandate in the same. Will be over Basabia police station will be out of your panel.
Oh,
the present peace, a prevailing war at the other year.
But
after the election.
My name say I had the election committee of the New Patriotic Party, My name say I had now motatun safre a presidential aspirants, anyone kasa. But omoba bontinga and come on yet no bontin so are different. As a kasa twitwi any de wo I don't know how you're going to handle those issues.
Oh, but you at the end there, normal. I better and I said, the minimum contest, I will better a few years now. My money acquire the doctor to do force the doctor for. I'm mad and no one resign, and I'm a what. Yeah, normal. Yeah, first time so I did with Benny. Do why any Obampanico for a buy. Obampanico for an another a buy. Another Niala a buy. I don't just a party and our party don't young grading. And now you doing yes, you will be a winning say about to abandon our problem beyond. Now you free our problem, nothing. You have a clear one book of the power. You're tired.
Oh, okay. Now, before I mean, you be, you know, come on, we have a trouble on thing a man for D. Now, and come on, I told her a man for D. Actually, a year mu last a year presidential primary. So, no move you, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. San come on, what's here now? Oh, move you, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
What now? I go here,
I say organizers of the a year, you know, the elections.
Oh, media who be because. You really Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, you know, and the Japan, I congratulate you know. Japan, no, to count, your friend is saying, as I'm watching, Japan, we are mad on that Bobanka. I will go back. Yeah, we are going to have a losing a winner. Oh my God, when you're not the area. Yeah, let's say you begin to papa and then a part.
Okay.
Delegate, you will be obeyed.
We're one of the Nkomo every professor from Pom Boatenchan or the Ababa Twabontin say.
Yeah, what else I'm listening clear. In the matter, come on, comment on one day, for what in the one, maybe we.
Hey, Chamai, you're fine, Commodity, sit up with us a partner. Chaman, I'm in your
maybe offices here, but the bring idea the old banana about office.
But on the point about office, we do bring idea about Chairman Smith Boothie, the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party, and Artist Seminole Eddie and Komono. Okay, Mima Kwaba.
Professor.
Net to say,
you be able to Prof.
Be able to that. Could you have another number 2 on catches? Huh? She said, not more did he patch. Safo, she could have buying. Oh, did he patch? Wow, show with him more screen also. Patch, bad. Was it a fresh afro gas?
That may make us say that. Benjamin.
Who know it? Me ma kwa me ma officer.
I've been coming.
Let's say.
Prof, you have a call, and I don't want to body. You don't eti enkwamu.
Never mind, baby man. We are.
Inshallah.
Yeah. We are. Oh no, we are. My show. Mr. Safo. Obi Oba Habiaji 2000.
Prof.
2000 cities. Last week Benjamin Asare. Maybe 2000 man or say debi. Yenkoni yenko didi. Any yenko didi na mituaka. And one 2000 me fanto me home.
Everybody nyago.
Aye, also on piska.
Aba baba.
Now, I do want to say.
You want to boko? You go so. A crack over anything.
And we are young cabin ship. Who say? A MPP for the crack. I be a babon tenga or moka say. A yen someone. A professor. Kwabana from Pom Boating. They are 2 Jano. Say MPP a freak, you know. And Tessa. That and come over to you. I know. Say you have seen the communique. A quick comment on that.
Well, I mean, you know, when you're going to find Chama when what you for. And your mom majibre follow more social media. Na me den chasron koso ama ye mebra Benjamin. Adwuma ye adi ache. Metifia me ma adwuma no mukura ma won say yes, me hu no media no so kwa up and up and won say yes. Adwuma no opposition dey sa na ye bo adwuma no. Prof. Opposition dey sa na ye dey na ye bo adwuma no. Adwuma na no nti me den chasron ko ma ye mebra Penny Benjamin. Na me den chasron ko so ama prof woni unwuma yefo amowo sa adwuma ma hu mu ache yi de. E wo se me chia mo nso na me ma mo afisha pa. Na ne ye tie bia no. Ye wie show no nso a ye be hu de ye be de ne ye be ye na me 2000 no so ye den a prof bebia wo bia me se wo te 2000 meje. De amedi ntin chasron ko enkomo. MPP for some prof. Yes, Madam Fubi, a friend area Baba, or your MPP communications officer, former MPP communications officer, or Cratchy East constituency. Time I make communicate at the constituency in the regional level. No, me no know sure. Na in this year, but when me no attack, was it who cares if the monkey is running the area? Was it who cares if the monkey is running the area? Who cares if the monkey is running the area? But they be our prof. Metimika saying even though we don't care, no.
Yeah.
There is one thing I've always said and maintain, and I always maintain. I've said it on your show several times.
Okay.
Okay, me can say kabi mamin kabi. Amambuo ebeji na no eye democracy. This year was stronger than opposition.
Mm-hmm.
In the absence of a stronger opposition, no, nyomukura to me say Sisi Akrano will mess up with the power they have.
Mm-hmm.
They will not know the importance of it, and even so, be TMA soon krasi bibi yano krana. They won't mind because omo dane she benkum ehwe ni fa hwe omachi hwe ni ma. There is no opposition opposing them, and I say party bi ani ho a omo fele say a free and san people can take over. Inti ebema esa ne efe no omutima yo omode na prof ne ense a emfata nkwa na omo amukura power na ebe den ebeye. Inti anka ya de pa say MPP ya inde kura to me kura na MPP for omo ye opponents aye ne omo pre to me na enti na emionu nyina ya te political party no eya yem hye de mayen say MPP atete apansan koduru saa. Because MPP anyina yi a ekoba beti ayen so. Because na kabima min kabie amambo na ye nyina ya gi atum si ye beye asoman no na eya tochema. Enti na se eba ne si a at least prof e wo si MPP asam ne ye kabi na party ne den ejina ye wo si ye to omfo. Because ye mionu nyina obi asem timi ba. But MPP de we de prof nyame no kure nim aboro so. MPP fon sem no aboro so. As a 38% now omunya ye no. As omu de ne de omu fele say 38 no cross on santemra.
Me pacho please. Please, yes.
Oh prof.
Yeah, minia. Yanko. Go with him.
Your collections room no 38 in your
yo Debbie. That is your figures.
So I'm speaking according to the collation center.
No, but you can't refer to that. Refer to the national one.
Oh, but you let me refer to that.
No, refer to the national one.
Because you see we elections. Somebody declare is easy. No crab after 9.
Maybe talk with him.
Enti prof, mami use here the na me fanka.
Me too.
Enti 38% now prof.
41.
Okay, what do you know?
Sure.
38% now prof or manya no. At them people still a person mo tesuba 20. By so yempena sa. Yes Benjamin ka si o nka nkrata no kra de bi kra nka wo se ye twuro bi ma Professor Frimpong Boate kra no frimu de da because o mu anya ma hey Ben Professor Frimpong Boate wo mu anya ma o frimu so entosi and then na se amode ma papa yi no Professor Frimpong Boate and then MPP communicators na from mo e ka se o wo mu a anya ma o frimu so a entosi hey prof wasidani.
Why I say that?
Professor Frimpong Boate.
Okay.
Hey! Professor ya mmerebi. MPP 4,000 no. Papa ni munyansa. Yeso mama ya kuma yare ogana ha nyina ye twama ye nya obi. Ono nko a na etope Africa nyina na bibi bobo na samra ne. Hey! Enda di owo mu a.
Na say ono so oni MPP fo ndi ni. Ye wo hwensem a obeka na.
Efrimu so entosin. And let's come to what Professor Frimpong Boate is saying.
Okay.
Do you think it is only Professor Frimpong Boate that is complaining? Se bibia tena obi so ache na oba out be complain na etre se de ben. Afuno no. Omo proverb bia mutaka no brofu mu say deben if the abundance of the house the mouth speakers and bibisa. Omo say bro akoma so na no eden ano e kan. Woni mo omo a ensem tena omo a etete omo. Ye ni krom ha no mampani kufo. Ade tena omo mampani suspension. Ye ni krom ha no mampani kufo be kan say omo advice kra yemfa. Monte ha. Omampani kufo kwa kan ya. Ye say omampani kufo ko meeting e ka bibi kra mabo anya original meeting no kan say the omampani kufo kan yemfa. Have you forgotten all these issues in this country? And profit is saman for bo.
Nelen people send your friend omo dimu bobe omo sua de kwa nim doctor for professors na de no mo MPP mu a mama MPP agina na nka manfo nim se MPP de se ba no huma sua e MPP some profo nyina akọ backstage and now look at the likes of people that are taking center stage of the MPP. Look at the likes of people. Look at the likes of people, the likes of Abronye, Chamahun to me, and co. Just for Yadom and co. Just look at the people. They say, Professor Sini not taking backstage. They say, Professor did not be by. It's me trying to find some free uncle. Abronye can open a whole live broadcast. The deep benefit, I said, the only woman, when people more teaching people. The deep matem. Obian suspend Abronye. Nobody suspends Abronye. Nobody. Abronye Sema call with this prime committee several times. What was the result? Which I'm asking you today. Have you ever followed up? Have you ever followed up? Professor Frimpong Bati Abeka no create say. Wabeka no create say. Professor Frimpong Bati Abba out. Abeka no create say. Okay. Now the only thing you can do, Prof.
Nyabotre. What is
stop suspend him?
What he says, okay, on the Galamsey issue, no? And also on this current issue, or say party near fake. He says, say the party. Is this the MPP you are seeing? Benjamin will testify to you. Say MPP or more minimum about domino. Ade a entice Benjamin ultimate chain now other MPP communicator no. Now Benjamin and I'm radio station to radio station or defending rot. Benjamin Asari.
I'm telling you. That's only to me mechano ya never can bomb. You cop camera to match there.
Anti Asama Prof Ekano.
Prof.
Or say Omo Reggae 2023 presidential primaries. He also says there's bribery and intimidation. Say omo jija manfo ensa egisika omo bribe delegates na party ni kra no losing identity na wabra omo di nkuguo no kra no omo amfa kwan pa bi so ama be ka ehho asema nkyere Ghana omo party ma
what you Prof me one pass you see Ghana and that is one of our problem.
The problem is you see for mama why na me ko Benjamin
very simple.
Both MPP and NDC.
Yeah, Pomo said be pretending. Pretends everything is all right. I said my Professor Frimpong what can say party na dane sika cheche and the other two election anyway entro bene where is the lie you krum ha MPP before now started check flat screen election flat screen TV
MPP before election be no
me say asase kwa ya chat on krum ha say o to abama me wi abra be asase
e won he oh Charlie now was assemble now okay
Professor, anything I make as a prof, you only pretend and tell me say what I'm saying is a lie.
Me pretend.
A man for who organize election. A man for constituency election ke ko secretary na flat screen TV bubu man for mutuum. Obe hu na MPP delegates kwa we twa kwa mu. Obi say ma kwaje na chama wo so kwaje wo de. Kuma asema Professor Frimpong but told me the womb. The only way chama want to me can win over a lawyer is because of money. It's because of money.
You can't say that.
I'm telling you, because of money.
Because of Scar.
It's because of money.
That's how they know who he is.
The only way Abonye can become a chairman of a region in MPP is because of money.
Hey, asama na kai. Na Abonye Oscar.
In sama
na Abonye Oscar.
Masa, the guy is now holding cash. You don't know.
Abonye is holding cash.
Oh, Masa Unima. About Unima die.
Oh, okay.
What do you say? Is this so we be TV so come no boss and didn't have born book tin bobon for the obiant me.
Always country. Always country.
You think if you don't have that kind of this thing you can do?
Yeah, na see for mommy.
Prof.
Yeah.
We shouldn't pretend. MPP a good Professor Frimpong Bati person oyi kuro no wo yi ade na itari kuro na ni plaster no no mumia kuro na kuro no wu o mo say da bi yempe jai na kuro no prontare e nice na ye na enhance them because Professor Frimpong Bati enhance them because Professor Frimpong Bati is one of the many mo lamenti mo kuma mu ono na de e na bravele amia na kuma ama bakwa de afri na no
me da say
na se mo kwa suspend no kamuni mukura mo nko ne daddy ya nye na yeye fa che ye party wo say e fiki wo de fa bra bonte be ka se wanka na yeye na nya ntana na tuyefo na ne obetu ye bia ya den ye de achi na ye party na ye den afa ntuma pa afra because e den ya Prof what the minister wo ye party mu pen wo ye hion me dia titiri party
mami na wase
say Professor Frimpong Boatie aka no kura tire MPP nti ye twe na sign untum send ye fe no abonye onenam no didi mpinifo atem party mo da so te ho
me da say SOMPA 106.5 FM 26 minutes to 5. We're still waiting if we can have a conversation with the Minister for Trade, Honorable Elizabeth Ofosu-Jare. In fact, today she did promise us an interview, but the your friend that's we are not getting her. But my uncle said Sabra Benoka say I dokono e wo dwaman so 3 cedis. Obina the advert now about Joe's bread and pastries. Say one say kenke. I get 3 Ghana cedis. Advert. They don't know where be there. Joe's kenke. Joe's bread and pastries. One with the ababon thing. Say there one ton doko 3 Ghana cedis. Me pa cho me check when e wo Dome Commercial Bank nechi wa uko awusu hwe Joe's Bakery. Say doko na wo mo eton no 3 Ghana cedis. Mpa cho wo ye ana say uye enhemudie bi na obe serve dokono a bombarding na for we ni kire Joss na koton mo dokono ni bi 3 Ghana cedis me pacho yellow corn moton we de yellow corn emu nkeka ni bia me pacho say we ni je ho a ubetimi afre 02560688832 02560688832 now I can you say Electroland Ghana Limited. That is where you can buy quality electronics. I want to call quality electronics at all. TV, air conditioning, fridges, washing machine, kettle, rice cookers. Any the kaka hunyano. Electroland Ghana Limited. That's a kind you say. To Nasco product, media, Samsung, TCL products now. All other products in the electronic world. Now here be a bombarding partner for Wenichre Electroland Ghana Limited. Nakai, you say, Okowa, you have 15% discount. Bombarding National Micha Kwan Water Chiman. Bia Ewo Min Kumasi Station in Chenwo Kumasia for Wenichre Kasi Junction. Tech Junction, Ewo Kranya Dental Barrier. Dantuman Roundabout, Industrial Area, BNML Complex, Leading Shedimo. They have offices in Sunyani, Mankesim, Cape Coast, Takradi, and Tapali. Read them on 0245 949495. 0245 949495. Now, Maminko Naminti Benjamin Asari.
Prof.
Yeah.
Zamtia Masresa Parem for no sa. Omako Akobo Parem for.
Me pato se o ma bo parem for
o NDC for no so o ma bo prof no pa no aba be ka sem atum ayi Ghana for adwen free
enche NDC for na bo na pa
abysmal performance of
me pato
John Dramani Mahama ne 1 year administration
me pato
and o ma because say onim se ba bi aduru no president na Yewura John Dramani Mahama ne promises our promise Ghana for our the timeline to ho e bi ye 120 days. I went to me meeting. I can't want some woman will be a name say
Benjamin
president and I'm on home modern. The 1 year administration now about Bedino and now 1 year the 1 year now Ghana for who say what failing no the performance what failing no the performance or the ama and uncle ye niti no say professor no mo awo no ma ne de bibia betum to obetena na ho odi nyina agina prof de no so saa enso nya ho ne ye beko prof no ye fake and also wa film enti say any fake for no ye fake and also wa film enti say any fake for ni asem ye ko president John Dramani Mahama ono na Ghana for e de tumi ahye ne nsa Ghana ye destiny no omo de ahye Yewura John Dramani Mahama nsem said the next 4 years no onhwe so obetoto ne ma hyehye ne ma pa ma Ghana for e ho ato omo enye people what so wadidi one day wadidi ama wa ye no say tam onko enti no ono na asem nye ya asem ba prof but apart from Frimpong Boatie no say ye hwe President John Dramani Mahama ne 1 year in office. Good. Enu ne hia. Ho na ese minue wode na ho de.
Na mo party na ye fake ne de ehun hia.
O say
obi aka se mo party ye fake enyemo ya. Pick enyemo ya.
Prof. Prof pa na. Unim. Prof. Prof pa na. Unim semo ama. Unim semo a fifi kwete. A committee party for asemo o kan e. O ka kire o mo say mo amote ha no mo amada eso da yese Yewura John Dramani Mahama obekọ tetem Yewura John Dramani Mahama obekọ tetem mo nyina mo ye siko fans for eno wo koka asem no wo na eno ho anum na sa What you see for sycophants because better Monana you have 50 quid everything to Moses. Mo ye sycophants because mo yemu yods because mo yemu yodium mo can some president John Dramani Mahama na mo de akwa kopela la sula lady sano o catch the party for
but have you taken
a lady sano o catch the party for
but have you taken a look at Ken Oforiatta's issue, the latest development?
Yeah, can sycophants for say Ken Oforiatta me de Ken Oforiatta head Ken Oforiatta say see ayeti Ghana yaman is cast one for mumai Yama Ghana sika ya Ghana yama Ken Oforiatta say omuma ye de yetumi bi ahye ne sa
Ken
Oforiatta Ken Oforiatta mo age Ken Oforiatta oye GDP oye exchange rate Ken Oforiatta no ono no electricity na ya to mu 28% Ghana for ho kire omo no eye Ken Oforiatta water na ya to mu 15.7% Ghana for ho kire omo no eye Oforiatta
Wabra yeden the two the finance ministry no during the 8 years of the NPP's government under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye jana ntie say nsem ba kwa na mienu bi ye so mbra Ghana no mbeyi na no sansem no eno ne ye ka ho asem
yewura John Dramani Mahama eba akodwamu no o promise Ghana for so obema omo job obema mabunu adwuma ye
sa promise Ghana for say wo mo sa promise Ghana for say wo mo mususu say wo mabo man no kro no oba odi omo kokko gina asem
no problem
Are you the host or I am the host?
You are the host.
So I'm putting you questions. So answer me.
No problem.
Sure.
What's it say?
Maybe I thought to ask him. So can I ask him?
It's here John Dramani Mahama. I promise you to know so obemo omo adwuma. Na adwuma na odebe mo omo no so no. E yade a otu din e de hope e share you to num say oba obebo omo adwuma. Eno no okode adwuma bi a ode ba ya otu din 24-hour economy. And na youth no gi hwi ekoko san la ekoto abade ma yewura John Dramani Mahama because omo padwuma ye. Adwuma na omo pa ye no. Omo chere 24-hour economy na ma youth no etiase minua ye ote ye wona minua aban etiase se eye 133 na chere se adwuma ba ko nipa miensa ne beye eno na Ghana for youth omo tifie unemployment for anu omo wo fie agi hwi ekosan la ekoto aba e ma yewura John Dramani Mahama enne waye omo 419 enne me no ka say yewura John Dramani Mahama waye Ghana youth no 419 because we say even 24-hour economy no kro ka so de ba no wanka so no ne de ba na mu private sector abra wo ka kire ye say Ghana for you to abenya adwuma ye no adwuma ye existing no te say me no tuoi prof wo ye abanya adwuma ne ye di nipa mienu aba be ka ho na te say adwuma na wo ye no aye nipa miensa ene yewura John Dramani Mahama wadwane ne namu mirika o se nya sa na o kan ye te say wo say twa Ghana for ntro by now no a serious country be aka by now no impeachment cause so say you are president ka o resign kra ne yetu na de so and so Ghana for you obi atimi kan bibia no afa no ho adi president a wo bo mamu a o promise say one ne party for galamsey ku o man no enti oba obeba be so galamsey ano ene one ne party for left right center obi a ye galamsey and the president is the major beneficiary when it comes to galamsey. The president in Obedan was to Galamsey. One kasa on the regional executive, Joseph Yami, and Abanga, Omwaji concession, Omutu Galamsey, Obedan was to Galamsey. The president in Ankasano, name some promise to Galamsey. The president in Ankasano, name some promise
to as some now who can say Yamin, and Abanga, Omutu concession. From where I sit, Minimoshe. It's only an allegation that was made against them.
One who will be oya galamsey or them.
Nyabotre.
One who will be oya galamsey or them, and now oya was sorry them. Attorney General Bekachre say Joseph Yami ni Abanga it was alleged so omo ye galamsey ye what them.
And you know, can I say it was alleged? No, Nyabutre. Say that it was alleged, but you shouldn't be emphatic. Say
I was not emphatic. I was only reiterating the point to say Attorney General say Joseph Yamini Abanga omo ye galamsey yan hwehwe omo semu.
O can say there. I think
that's how no kai. Na wonye wa nye Attorney General na be ka kire ya. Na wonim say Joseph Yamini wa galamsey.
And ba me ba na.
Dabi asemo Attorney General ye baabi. Ana obe ka kire ye say galamsey a say yensuo. Galamsey na say ye forest. Galamsey na ku Ghana for ma afa ni ye wo mo. Galamsey na amanfo nyansuo nom. Galamsey na ase ye nuaba eni nuane a ye di koyemu no. Joseph Yamini Abanga omo ye bi.
Okay, so let me ask you, with Niema Wabobo Bossina about Abain's failure, per what the submission you have just made, you know, Mamma Niema Mienubia, officer buying a bar power, why ya a so any?
President John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah, or by why be a man so Indiana?
I want Namamui.
Yeah.
I dear why a man so many you
denga.
Or opposition or promises or obey Chief Justice or by way you know. Or castle or bar. Chief Justice get to Tokono untiminin in Yaduma into a bar. Whether who commits obey you know and power by where you get to Tokono free.
Okay, now second one,
or catch there or bar or then the IGP but damn parent men in Yaduma and now offend this in Chocho Mucho Cassia pa a year Rabafu Bonnie, Wababa IGP.
All right, Mammy Nas,
Wababa any Chief Justice.
You're fun communist.
And or buy and so no or say Nadia obey me and Yura IGP are not and Wako for IGP and this in the number into Wayadia Wabon home.
Never knew why you were born home.
Now on ye, so why ye?
And to Wabon home.
Now more no more the so kind why.
And to dollar, to say dollar ye. And who actually against the city, as we are told now, the city is the second performing currency in the world.
And say okay, hold on.
They didn't be so. I'm asking it. Onyadi.
Who will be some near me?
I'm asking what can would you
Sir President, the dollar no one who more dear walker. I don't know some in America.
Now when you're free.
And this in it, and I do man say. Communicate not on no man say.
It is women and make women
and make cancer say. You have done Dramani Mahama. Why my dollar above for you?
Suka says, oh, Pombra.
And I tell say, Ubu Sami 2 questions. Who catch them? I say, who now your host? And in Wabusan SME and Wabusam near Mamienu, my year no amount. So were ye Chief Justice a few workers who in Yaduma and power by where ye. A dear be now person. What's the dollar? May dollar for me obey.
Benjamin Asari, Mammy, that's exactly 14 minutes to exactly 5. Oh, wait. Baby, wait. Oh, okay, my mom 1 minute.
Prof, near my do I ain't able to. Now you may know one day. I just say,
me 1 minute. I'm out there. Some
that's a power 1 minute. Why are there? Until from Prof. Until you were John Dramani Mahama. And near maybe a honor or no one can promise Ghana for or buy no when you so. 1 year twam or catch there say na no minimum bi ekosia o TV station me catch there say or promise say COVID-19 levy obeyi free one 120 days or say me no ka say we this year we president ne say me ma 4 months and 3 months COVID levy no me ba me yi ye call 9 months 10 months 11 months onyi ye ya wura this year mu no so we ye so aya de ye mo ye nsem ma no. That is the mediocrity. Yes, so near any quasi. I say you put to be street proof, no. What can't some nowhere in Iswa, near better than near Bonaba.
All right.
It's you are President John Dramani Mahama. Obedi in 1 year, no. Me say percentage, ya media man from last week, be permanent, and you 50%.
All right, so thank you so much, my good brother Benjamin Asari. And I'll say exactly 5 here by activity alliance. So now, what do I drink? Chabe boy, but I can say, Tontina 74, a dudu kesia, would Jaman so, ye me busebia, a kutia yadianka kesitre yadie. Obi a kraton no nan ho a kro no wuda otenase kakra na wonan se nyina tata anasa oba obu ni nsa na akwakoye you know something of bad taste edi amano na kai bi o se we obi a okasa nipa ho na wenum ayi ka me pa to 74 T74 has the answer for you but modern na for we kire drugstore pharmacy shop bi e ben na abusia wonsa beka T74 EB na kai se we oba wa fefuru anye mawo we oba wo ma akora no fo anye mawo sa so na we abofra unye 12 years unye 12 years 12 years so and ye mao we do any drugstore pharmacy shop you are going to get it kai say nkran ha open dudu mu a o kan si drug lane na o kumase a Ashton calling na kebao but modern na free a 2074 doctor no it was 02460739498 again read them on 050-162-8931 Tontina 74 a dudu kese papa na me ko tie kojo aban kojo meet you
time I ever SHS and teacher car story be chere was here kwa bi na ekotwere exam o paja paper na won say anadwunu mu nyina no suan topic ba ku bi agama lizard enko suan esan no kwa science to do exam ho na prof o paja paper na wan hu no question on wa suan pen o say what they have to paper what the pen to paper no so no wa examiner please allow me to set my own question. Benjamin allow me to set my own question. And let me answer no one. What is agama lizard? And what define it? Type of no they are two no when is I and Benjamin topic I am no see that be one kind no. Because or topics na one man na ebe ma abane animal nyam. Nti omo de ne se ombe ka ban ne dia de akofom no matter was aban ya de kra still yes ade poto be de be dware aban no na okoso ka ese me wa ha se me de medicine adwuma se me white wash aban no we pa chrew the sort of nkronfa ye ne omo de e pre ade wo krom ha nkronfa mo se munyi tumi mfiri ho fanye de enfa ma omo prof wa ade a me ka Benjamin mo nte ase and this is your party no egu ye bi no so ya ne nya ho ye mpe si ebegu because egu a kabima minka bi ebeden ebe basa they must have a formidable party to contest the NDC on any given time any day so that they will give us a solid contest ni ye wi a yetimi di nyoma ye atutu akwam and na mini wo kasai MPP and none have organize forum na nya popular adient because of the abysmal performance on year in their previous administration in the nekwa organize forum emfa because same me ani wo meka na muso bi nsem mi nkwa no mo sakwa den o sakwa bosso na me inti won see forum ni nyina dey amfa they should give them a signal say party ni egu see it me a whole forum na nyidin no obi anka wasem na week no nyina nya topic
forum asem na okay forum asem na okay
and na yo manje forum America sa gbaje ko kan say inflation no omo yi free 54 e de ba 20 ayi e na pa cha san komo ho komo yi ba ite say ye ne te say ye na me na aba kwame awawu akon sa do de ko 50
say anka manfo aka ho asem anka miracle sa asem o kan we na te
now sa forum anka badistan ye wa ha correct party formidable omo the better options aba say ni say aban na say bank be say ni say kanden it should be a topic we should be discussing because they are the what omo na majority opposition as we speak dollar na den dollar na bayiye ama manfo di hu mfaso and the inflation nam single digit and the interest rate so atisi amanfo timi je bosoa edigugu omu nwumam and then Ghana nyina da ne construction say because of big push agenda aboti and then na discussions e wo krom nnan and then kra ya ba wo so yi so bi sa benga say de dwoma ma ye 1 year no hu hwe a eye ma wo se mi hu hwe ono because munim wo shentable space wo yin table space na obehu ne ede ne ekọ and I'm telling you because of that about setting your own question making all sort of claims which is not true to say John Mahama is benefiting from Galamsey no massa that one is a very serious allegation because mini why obi anim say John Dramani Mahama is the only president that have what written or tell Yoko say we're investigating the party executive, not any other executive, high-ranking members. We are talking about the national organizer and the national deputy or the national vice chairman. That is the people we are talking about. Na do dan kwa kufa do die ba ya na regional chairman eya kuntama ni ya sabe omutu Galamsey our forest and minerals commission ba out then krata ba say
Akunta mining is involved in Galamsey. Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources so dem krata baye. Eye donjina po ni na abujina po. E de baye se de ben. Akunta mining is involved in Galamsey. Prof, aseme no mo kan e. Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo kojina simpie so kan say Akunta mining nye boni bia. That was when I knew say Akunta mining belonged to Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo na mbonye chama wontumi. That was I knew. And then nchen, o kan papa bia na friend Alistair Matthias. O kan Alistair Matthias. If you want to know someone who is benefiting from Galamsey, you remember Alistair Matthias made huge allegation. Edit to your president so at that time. See the your president one man smuggling millions of gold. Eddie free chrome ha. Last minute presidency ya pam. See Alistair Matthias am be trends 7 and sign BBC for trends video no fra. O make ko su BBC betin den. O matimi su BBC. There is a video bia BBC dia to ho bia na e de ben e no kre. Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo boa go smugglers so chrome ha. And then ye design your money nyina. Your mama say no. On penny my individuals like Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo intimi smuggle gold and free chrome ha. On penny my chama wontumi mfa gold na nya de emfa suma se nya de enkoton. On penny my MPP for go smugglers from nya go smuggling. Nembom o kaka bom ama on minor de humfa so. That this shows your mama is benefiting from what?
Yeah, let's see from
Galamsey. No. And then mini uka say gold a yetu no krom ha. Atimi amaye sika pore $13 billion and they nyina de humfa so. And then your reserve fire I say choke yenya baby kra na ya hye. Aye choke. And then mambo koso and then one oba be advert ya. Akoye MPP for ka. Wo say kenke bi no so mo turn 3 CD into obi a wo ya we ni bia meji. Ye kan people for say oda bio kenke nam 7 CD and I'm 10 CD and I'm 12 CD. By and then prof wan kasa wan mu to be sabe pa na me kokra me eje. Me say dia koka ba 7 CD kenke wo 3 CDs na man fonte.
El ko domia.
Correct.
Domi
paper no ma me photocopy.
There be commercial bank obi advert or dey buy.
Na say advert ye be ka asem. Kenke 3 CDs.
We dey ka say just kenke. Just hot kinky.
Open just hot kinky. 3 CD. Ewo krum ha. This will tell you say and your man boy there aba from say who license.
Me da say.
Abai we be near pe.
Ma me na say na me fa.
Enya abai asabe. Abai koto be ku mba abai bia. Na omo wo ho. Na asabe nyame nko anka me kra me mu nkwa dro wuye because of the way na abai omamu ayedin. And Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo. It wasn't easy. And then Benjamin, he is enjoying a lot. That want to me nkan. And then Ochi Nika go through filling station. Nika must say to me kind the last time I been and then the glasses about from 24/7 ACC.
Me that say. Me that say. Yeah. Me patch. And
then hey. Before we do SOMPA ACC we say am we do a. Nko do say from pa ban. Was it kian king. Aban bia sabe ye reform areas sabe ye
me ba talk me you e free mo me you na free me you na free
na by this time we Ghana babu na say we deviate anya won because you never baba form bibia wo form importers and the importers in SRC
yeah me patro me you be the kasa na o kan nyina ma me today me me patro nyamo tre
Benjamin Kasa, we are 1 minute. Now, maybe 1 minute.
Debbie,
1 minute extra time.
Debbie. Okay. Oh, yeah. Me that's it. Me pamucho. Nyabu trip. Me more time. Mama Osaka said. Mama be a time. Why? I want to do some birthday wishes live here. Make a birthday wishes are suffered in the 9 Bible buffum because picture na eba beto screen also etia. Me pacho today it's your birthday. Nana Equia Poquia Black Beauty. We are police in the bar boise. Yeah, that's your picture on the screen. Happy birthday to you, girl. Wishing you God's blessings and of course good health. And me name say we do a free say no. Now when your promotion in life, promotion in good health. And promotion edwuma na wenyamo. And wherever you are, Nana Equia Poquia Black Beauty. We post ni ewo eye obuase yemao awudapa. And of course, it's coming from me. It's coming from me to her. That's fine. And then from the kids too. And then to you, my good brother, Nana Otudako. Hey, Class Media Group, Nana Otudako. Today, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Wishing you God's blessings, long life, prosperity. And of course, you could Way back in school, do makuni njina mayeng. Nana otu dako. Happy birthday to you once again. Okay, so yeah, come on, so now you fire calls. You fire calls. Me ba trouble my friend 0260196064 0260196065. Call and be a part of the discussion right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Hello, good evening. Yo. Oh, okay. Me pa jowana me ka say. All right, what am I me pa choye ti oi?
Me da shi. Me srew. Kacha me nya ben da me so nya botre. Na oba studio, mo amfa na asem oba beka. Odi asem atiga e no discussion. So what you say? Because yes, I know I don't call it you be deviated from what you are discussing. But the next time, so the sort of nation mention the bottom about the more macra. Because you see, mama empty. So what you say? Because I'm can you fake Obia, you know, you money NBC phone now. They be a share, we are here, you share from the grassroots. You could you police station. You put it in the branch if you are your constituency. If you constituency, I call region. If you region, I call national. If you're national, I call you flag bearer. Yes, I'm protecting the Papa Kubinti. Can I be a Mama Bajasi? And then Moncasa internal primary Samoko, Kennedy Sisi, Bamianco 46, Moji then. A champion, or Sisi, not Bamianco for into Moncasa near Modi, one at the bottom. Over here, to make a vibrant opposition. And Abua, it's me, I'm a Monaco. It is empty for any as in fair with your mama and your mama's uncle Becky Afma, not near MPP.
All right, Mammy, now I say. May I say, Mammy, now I say, pass over. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pass on a minute, Cassie. A Johnny Mowadam, Paso, it's your wine.
You.
All right.
Incoming president. And national chairman can come with and a case law for you for Ghana and I just have my mate.
Sure.
For woman national organization. I first question, if I catch a one academy, we bet you man what the money said. My father MPP
is fake. And no, not your pay. I say fake and you say you're fake. I don't know your brand. You be my kwam wakasa tintin. Question a baby sir. A fake and I say you fake. When you can't fake now. All right.
Victor Smith. One said, "What you pay a Santa and Panamagana?" And it was one person in Grano.
Oh, sir.
I don't know when you know what's watching.
Oh, sir.
I'm not going to what the payment is there. What's I, young Panamara? I'm not going to go and ask you if I know.
And maybe Victor Smith didn't come on out here.
What do you mean? Man,
yeah. I get moving as a master by. All right, that's fine. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, maybe I don't want to say.
But your Baba compare down to mine.
Oh, that I'm a whatever, but my interior way.
But I mean, share with some papa, but I'm for a man. I mean, share don't go to Justin Kodia and I had your captain Mohammed. Now, umame of Auntie Obaya, so you are then.
Did I say?
Okay, or yeah, or didn't want to
hey,
winning. Una we host who host program. No, NDP not so no. I'm glad once known you. Say, or Casano Cassa, a year on Chasso, now won't call it before. On Chasso, no one calling him Capa. I cannot church here. So, Linia, say, you have in Casa. But about me, I'm going to go for Ghana, and the acronym. You will say, and go on to say, one more we have water farm as I can see him for several more drum who will. No one who can walk it and get the Yama, or Ghana, I ask you from. Who want to take it to again or the Udy says to carry by ye. why you have a youth to know. At the end of the also politics there, and truck a crown or crack a crap, who can crack a can work and talk a shed is after. You can wait, come up to Abama. Don't have to working. Just in day what? On time, but when you have some of that. What time, but when you have some of time, I could follow. What time, but when you have a thing to say, if you say, first, you know what? You put the day or what? I want to go when you were to party. So why you almost shine the different other room contest. So,
all right. Mr. Pastor, hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene ka say. Wadama.
Pacho we Mr. Nokrasa.
Yo, Mr. Nokrasa, wadama pacho eti oi.
Mr. Africa so baby and former infinity.
Yo, wadama eti yo.
Na member wa kwenye isu na mecha me dai with yo. Na mecha Abdullah Sakra. Ebi obi Abdullah Sakra mecha. Na mecha Jo Ashamai. Akuga na Kujo Adupo Ledmo could make a history. Now I'm paying my chairman to stage. The one in the MPP is fake. Point and in the MPP is fake. Opening simple what you call Mama will say sick. Stop saying sick. And then the MPP and the PHM. The old time no more vessel. The much no more vessel. MPP and the local for the video of my son who say a fake. And then you can't done for your time. It's a million support. I'm a sister, and you never put you or my Ghana. Your support to us. You not be dealing with you. May you hold on for you. You think I send your photo calling you on Shama. You need to my end yet. I don't know, you forget the MPP. Because someone can declare, someone got to about so summer, if you're there, motherfucker, motherfucker, what a motherfucker. I think. One more can say, what's I can say, so dear, motherfucker, but we're not enjoying.
Mammy now I say, I'm picking the next caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Open Yukatia, Nabibia Bocket,
Me patrol Bibia, now so.
ABOTCHIE 1.
Yeah, me patrol.
Mini size
on.
What you are the Ghana, I'm telling you.
Me
are the champion. To say the Adams are free at Taman.
Oh, okay.
Opportunity. But we are Taman, Baby Moro, be a American, Kotia Taman, America, Honorable Joshua, Hamidou Akamba. But you will be a Americano. I can't set a mechanic. Oh, yeah, you woman. No cranny was saying, I had a yaka. Because so when you may go to the day, offer, I'm telling you, say, and you may go. Yeah, Timamuhunu, Timamufono, and I'm at the Tekuma, Yama Bedio. Of our Shukrum Pass, yes, it would drive it. I need before. So a woman who come out here, I didn't hear Tempono, who kind of traffic because they know. Of what the fuck are they? Timamufon, what's that about Guinea? So I never could you. At the best set Timamufon say, it's no more. Now, how many of you know that years? And I'm for you. After the state of your policy. I'm telling you that the would be there. I can have a span after you go from Flania. It was a couple who have a form of play. I didn't know about the Mamufon. What there's I am for you. The kids don't almost that's about it. I'm why only I'm your Baba.
Champion for saying, Madame, say, Pastor Badge, so hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, me patrol 1 minute, I can say.
14 years old, too.
All right, okay. What am I patrolling to you?
And that's my Babacano. We want to educate Ghanaians, so allow me.
Me patrol, yeah, the time and a year, Juma. So you. There be no sometimes one some now who cannot it calls for questioning. And who can some now and can some ever call it for questioning. But I'm saying, but one casano, there be one casano. I was a per time now. Now, be fear, and I mean, we are 1-on-1 because I say you have so much to share with our listeners. Why?
Thank you.
Good.
Doctor, what is FCT? And yet, people there say, FCT has been fake. She's in memorial. These were the people who opposed independence. These people, Constitution, you should never let that draft it. They boycotted it. This
One who say where you at? One say they be ameno kasa. I na wo de wo ma me bisa questions. Never be whole can.
I'm ready to answer.
No, but if you are ready to answer, the other people waiting. And you know, would there one day must share one-on-one amount of my baby? Why? Me that's
so entity, she always says, yeah, it's better to ask. Yeah, they know nothing.
Me that say, hello, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, me pass one minute, I say. Yeah. Okay. Yo, what you? Okay. Okay.
Yes, you know. Media, some medical. The obedi be a better man, but yet, Yana Kuya, and from Canada, Japan. Media, though me a better man, Canada, Japan, a better man, but the ND seems to mean fire so, Canada, Japan. So much about me or bar, the evolution. It's a media cacra making me a can.
That's Radisson Town, so about you ready to say hello, good evening.
Good evening, today.
God is good. Me hoya pa, one of them can
I'm sorry, Ben, you call Bukuru this year.
Oh, I'm sorry, Baby Marquaba. What am I patrioting? Why?
At that, men are not the best video, no. My bad demonstration. You can go to me now. Oh, no, you saw me a Kupa, a group, no Kupa, the president, no need. How will we are thinking? No. How a woman has to pour my sense in another. That's why you be a fair education, which you need to Kobe. That upon you now, you know what you. If you open to him at Claudia, we are saying, I about the trap out to be.
Now, debut, that be my tongue to mammy. Why not got you say, a yakuti, what your farmers want to be twin farmers?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, and we be
and you know, once a nipper piano team. Nipa biara ne na so no entino I was so utumi nya David
na eke so no mo ntra fie ntuyefo isa ko tete fiapa
e ba to etiu
anyumre ma me fanchie mo odema incoming MPP flag bearer Dr. Brown Echampon na incoming MPP and national chairman Yewrabo Achejaku empanifo se oka timu a ene ma kire oka aka e ya bebu e wo ho na MPP here thank you contester. Sebi intrediasa. Party a dear lawyer for businessmen and women. Any party a dim moja and a science signature. And he'll be the catcher and the party who are corner, party who yakono. Yamani in our moment. Namastre, you are from what he say. Do for tia, we are trying to do both for no. One for now, baby for MPP party no. Wabua party no. Party is one. Be me and then they catch them with. I mean, yes, I'm defending from Paul Watney, a bra, and this is 42 so tell me Banya Galampi. Now, many fair regulars should defend the chair from Paul Watney Banya Galampi, and then Lumicum. Because Penin Treffy, yes, sir, I think Abania to me, the support to Brana Campon. But I'm telling you, the little fight for air corner. Oh, my, you're far better than Yura Mahama. Yes, Yura Mahama in 1 year. In 1 year, on one come. For the need to cut enough for share agriculture, no more boku because of Asundian Gunti. Now, to buy 6 months, no the free education, but let me say you are Mahama. Or my mean bigger, or my dollar, upper form, but a Diana boarding. Many about Kata, and I can remember for Yanni more than a good for the time that Yanni bore Kosroa, a good for the Nipaboniana, Namoya warning, but you are Mahama dear, and Yanni bore Kosro dia, Timamufon anything.
All right, Mammy now. Right.
Mr. MP, Ghana, back can I sat here calm because of a moment cookie. It won't come home.
Yeah. Sorry about your fancy. Me that say. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me patrol na me make say.
Jadan ni me fit tema.
Jadan tema, wada man patrol, it you.
Yo, say nia cost no dey say kono. Na MPP for na nkasa mo nso mo ni so mo ye